Welcome to this tutorial on Krion6D. Here's a detailed breakdown of how to use the Transmittal functionality. First, navigate to the Share section on the sidebar and select the Transmittal option from the list of features. Click the Add button to create a new Transmittal. The Add ticket page will appear, allowing you to fill in the required details step by step. First, toggle the Create as Review option to On to ensure this is treated as a reviewable transmittal. Next, enter the required transmittal code, fill in the name field with the title, and use the description box to provide a detailed description of the transmittal. Then, assign a workflow by selecting the Workflow drop-down and choose the appropriate workflow for this transmittal. To attach files, open the Attach Files drop-down and select Files from Krion6D Files. Here, you can select files such as NWD and other formats like Review, RF-ICE, Issues, Transmittal, Submittals, Forms, Tickets, RFA, etc. After attaching the required files, click the Create button to submit the transmittal. The newly created transmittal will now appear in the Transmittal List page. To view the details, click on the link of the recently created transmittal. On the transmittal's detail page, under the Attachment section, you can view all attached files. Click on a file and view it. Now, let's move on to the workflow steps. In Step 1, the designer initiates the review process. They will click the Submit Review icon in the Workflow field, which opens the Submit Transmittal pop-up screen. In the pop-up screen, the status drop-down is set to Submit. The With Comment checkbox is selected, and a comment is added in the comment field. Afterward, click Accept to complete this step. In Step 2, the junior manager reviews the transmittal. They will click the Submit Review icon in the Workflow field, open the Submit Transmittal pop-up screen, and follow the same process as the designer. Once the junior manager has successfully completed the workflow, the task will turn green, and the workflow status will be marked as complete. To review the entire workflow process, go back to the Transmittal List page. The status field will show a green color, indicating successful approval. You can also view the workflow process in detail by checking the workflow activity log. Thank you for watching.